Hello, class. Our next stop on our Weathering and Erosion Effects tour takes us to the Arches National Park, located in Utah. During this visit, we will be learning about the effects of wind erosion. Wind is not as powerful as moving water, but like water, wind can change and shape the Earth's surface. We have been learning about how weathering and erosion change the Earth by breaking down rock material and moving it to new places. Arches National Park contains many examples of landforms that have been carved out by wind erosion. Can you guess what these landforms may have looked like before erosion? Think about what it is like to be outside on a windy day. What effects of the wind can you observe? How does wind speed affect your observations? Some things I have seen outside when it's windy are leaves blowing, trees bending, trash cans rolling, flags waving, things like that. Today we're going to investigate wind erosion as a natural process that helps shape our Earth. Let's take a look at how wind would affect the surface of sand. Wind affects the Earth it travels over because it can carry rocks, sand, and soil from one place to another, just like it did in this sandbox. It can also break rocks and create landforms such as arches. Some examples of wind erosion are sand and dust storms, soil erosion, sand dunes, and they're created by deposited sediment. Next, we are going to explore the effects of windbreaks on wind erosion. Whew, that was messy. Was there a difference of erosion with or without the windbreaks in place? What was similar and what was different? Can you think of a real-world ecosystem this simulation best represents? I think of a desert with all the sand dunes. Some real-world things the simulation windbreaks could represent are trees, houses, buildings, walls. Can you think of anything else? Maybe even my hand as I try to stop it? Today, we learned about how powerful wind can be and how it can shape the Earth's surface in similar ways to water. Our visit to Arches National Park has come to an end. In the next lesson, we will make the last stop on our Weathering and Erosion Effects tour by traveling to one final location. But until then, bye-bye.